Hello guys, I am again here with a new review video of Denver perfume. I had the pleasure of trying out the Denver perfume that I purchased as a gift for my brother, and I must say I was truly impressed. First of all, the packaging is sleek and sophisticated, making it the perfect gift for any occasion. The bottle itself is also very aesthetically pleasing with the classic design that will never go out of style. But the real standout feature of this perfume is the scent itself. It has a warm and musky aroma with a hint of sandalwood and amber that create a truly captivating fragrance. It's the perfect balance between being bold and masculine, yet also refined and elegant. I also appreciate that the scent is not overpowering and overwhelming, making it suitable for daytime and evening wear. It also lasts for a good amount of time without being too heavy. Overall, I highly recommend the Denver perfume for any guy looking to add a touch of sophistication and charm to his personal style. My brother is sure to love it. Thank you so much.